Hi, this is Sean O'Hare with MarineMax Pompano Beach, your Boston Whaler Superstore. Today, I'm going to walk you through this beautiful Boston Whaler 27 Dauntless and show you all the features and benefits it has to offer for you and your family. One of the first wow factors of this Boston Whaler 27 Dauntless is its 350 horsepower Mercury Verado engine. What that does for you and your family is it allows you to bring as much gear and as many people aboard as you can and not have to worry about the power or the efficiency. You'll have plenty to go. Another important aspect of this setup is its hydraulic actuated jack plate. That's operated at the helm and it allows you to raise and lower the engine in addition to the traditional trim and tilt of an engine. Gets you into shallow water for that flats fishing or just for your family to get to a nice shallow area to see some more marine life. Moving forward, the aft station has a nice deep live well that's a dual purpose as a cooler if you're not fishing. Over here is a nice freshwater sink with a pull-out so you can do more rinsing other than just the sink. Underneath is a nice big cooler, secured and stowed away when you're not accessing it. One of the signature features of the 27 Dauntless is this aft batch seat. When down, is a perfect platform for casting, fishing, or just looking at marine life. When you're not standing on it, folds up to a beautiful big bench. High back seat, plenty of leg space. Underneath, plenty of storage. The helm seat is nicely set up for two people with dual bolsters, so either person can decide whether they want to sit comfortably or stand. On the helm, we start out with a very nice soft touch steering wheel with a tilt so you can be sitting or standing. It provides easy visibility for your beautiful electronics package. Also, the mercury gauge is right here centered so you can see everything going on with your engine and the vessel. Going over to the VHF radio, easy to see and access. Fusion stereo, easy to get to and use. All your rocker switches are very well labeled, very easy to use. That engine bracket that I talked about that raises and lowers the motor for shallow water is accessible right next to the digital throttle shift. Fly-by-wire, which means it's always easy to shift from neutral to reverse. Over here you have your trim tabs with indicators so you know where your trim tabs are, up or down. Just forward of the helm is this beautiful long lounger for two people with a swing-up armrest on either side and a cup holder. Very nice under the shade so you can be here all day. Forward of that first lounger, we've got two more lounging areas right here. You can keep it upright like this, or put it down to sprawl your legs out even more. Over on the starboard side, we got a stereo remote to increase your volume or decrease it, change the station, what have you. We also have two cup holders on both sides, so you can keep your beverages secure while you're up here. Right in here is another beautiful insulated cooler and or storage area for you. Ahead of that is a hookup all ready to go for your trolling motor, where the mount is already ready for your choice of a trolling motor if you decide to purchase one. Right here, I've put the stanchions up for the sunshade that is included with this boat. That sunshade attaches to the hardtop so it makes this whole area nice for cruising on a hot day like today. Thank you for taking the time to walk through this beautiful Boston Whaler 27 Dauntless with me today. If you'd like more information on this Boston Whaler or any of the other boats that we have to offer, contact me, Sean O'Hare, at MarineMax Pompano Beach, your Boston Whaler Superstore.